Hi, I'm still Nadia. For thousands of years, people have been fascinated by dreaming and how and why it occurs, but today I'm going to tell you how it happens. So, these little head wonders in your head occur because of a drug or a chemical thing that is naturally in your head called dimethyltryptamine, or DMT, which is a psychedelic drug that produces vivid hallucinations.
So this is what the molecular structure of a DMT molecule looks like. I don't understand what it means because I'm terrible at chemistry, but I know that we have some hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen, which can also be used to make hydrogen cyanide, which is a poisonous and flammable substance that boils when it's just slightly above room temperature, but that's a different topic.
Many people think that they have never done DMT, but actually you do it every night. I mean, yeah, you could get DMT crystals and smoke them or whatever, but it is naturally produced in the brain and is released every night during a sleep phase known as rapid eye movement sleep, or REM sleep. REM sleep is the sleep that causes you to dream. It usually occurs during the second half of the night, like, when you wake up and then you fall back asleep and you have crazy dreams, and sometimes you wake up on the ground or in the hallway or outside. That's REM sleep. And the pictures that you see when you dream are produced by the DMT when it's released from the pineal gland in your brain, which is located almost in the direct center of your brain. So, long story short, we're all drug addicts. But the reason we need sleep is not because we are addicted to the DMT in our heads, because you can't become dependent on DMT, and it doesn't leave any drug residue. So if you take it once, it wears off, and there will be no trace that you ever did it. So one question that a lot of people have is, can natural, like the DMT that's already in your head, be released when you're not sleeping? Yeah, it can. That's why when you get overtired, sometimes you hallucinate. Your DMT is overproducing because it hasn't been released due to the lack of sleep. So the less sleep you have, the more likely you are to hallucinate. And this could be anything from little bugs on your wall to a person or a worm lady. That happened once. DMT can also be released when you're extremely stressed out, like you almost die stressed out. That's why so many people report seeing things like angels and birds and bright light before they die. They didn't actually see that, they're just tripping on DMT. Sorry for dissing religion. Dreams can have different meanings to different people, which is why dream dictionaries aren't very useful. It can give you some sense as to why you had a certain dream, but only you can know the real reason why you had a certain dream. Some people have mastered the art of lucid dreaming, which is when you can actually control your dream. Lucid dreaming takes a lot of practice. One method of lucid dreaming is not moving at all for about 30 minutes while you're in bed. Sometimes it takes longer than 30 minutes, but whatever. If you don't move at all, meaning you don't scratch itches, you don't move your eyes, you don't look around, you don't try to find the ghosts that are in your room. Before you go to sleep, your brain sends out little signals to your nerves, causing you to feel itchy. Your brain does this to see if you're actually ready for sleep. If you don't scratch at all, you can trick your brain into thinking that you are ready for sleep, and once this happens, you can start going into the dream state, and you can control what's going on. Or, you could take DMT, which is the most illegal drug, despite it being literally everywhere. Seriously, it's everywhere. It's the one thing that connects us to grass. So there's DMT in our heads and in blades of grass, and it's really easy to make, but I can't show you how to make it because it's illegal and I have to go to college still. I wonder if the DMT in blades of grass are located in the grass's pine needle gland. Joke. You can train yourself to remember your dreams by setting alarms to wake you up throughout the night, and as soon as you wake up, write down everything that you remember. I don't know who would voluntarily wake up throughout the night though, but whatever. But what if you're one of those people who have lame dreams and want to make your dreams weirder and cooler, but you're against using drugs? Well, guess what? There's a way to do that. The Scent Iodine supplement. Iodine is a mineral and it's taken for granted and often forgotten about. Most people lack iodine in their bodies, and because it's forgotten about, people don't make their diets iodine rich. As you get older, the sodium fluoride in your body accumulates and makes a film over the pineal gland. It had been reported that this fluoride film can lead to less melatonin released in your brain, which will make it harder to fall asleep. But the iodine supplement can reduce and eliminate the fluoride on your pineal gland, which will make it easier to fall asleep and make you have pretty crazy dreams. I'm gonna try that. Not now, though. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Oh, right, and I have to tell you that drugs are bad, don't do drugs, blah, blah, blah. You know I'm not responsible for anything you do.